Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your Tango Live banned on your device. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple steps to recover your account in minutes. So let's start. Step 1. Understand the ban. First, understand why Tango Live banned your device. Most bans happen because of community guidelines, violence, multiple accounts or suspicious activity. If it's a device ban, creating a new account won't work. Step 2. Restart your iPhone. Now restart your iPhone. This clears temporary system data and is always the first thing you should try. Step 3. Update Tango Live app. Open the App Store and check for a Tango Live update. Sometimes bans are caused by app bugs and update fix the issue instantly. Step 4. Reset network settings. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then choose reset, then choose reset network settings. This removes cached network data that Tango Live may have flagged. Step 5. Contact Tango Live support. If ban is still there, open Tango Live support, submit a ticket and politely explain your issue and ask for a device ban review and confirm you will follow all rules. Step 6. Use a different network. Try opening Tango Live using a different Wi-Fi or mobile data. In some cases, IP related flags trigger device bans. Step 7. Last option. Fresh start. If nothing works, the last option is a full iPhone reset. After backing up your data, this removes all device identifiers linked to the ban, and those steps help most users recover from a Tango Live device ban fast. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.